Hey everybody, welcome back. My mission is to educate and spread as much knowledge as I can through talking and communicating. The information contained in this video is of general nature and does not constitute medical advice. Talk to your doctor for your individual circumstances. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel at the end of the video. This week we're going to be talking about why yoga is extremely helpful to your health. So let's get started. The history of yoga was more than just a method of teaching. It was a way of life. Yoga is an ancient practice that brings together mind and body. It brings these two together by meditation, breathing exercises, and poses that influence relaxation and decrease stress. Every yoga pose has a different name and is beneficial to a different part of the body. Yoga comes with many great benefits for mental and physical health. Yoga improves your flexibility. When you first begin to practice yoga, there may be some poses that you are unable to complete. But if you keep practicing, you will begin to loosen up and poses will get easier to you. Yoga can improve your happiness. With consistent yoga practice, it will help your serotonin levels increase and decrease cortisol, an enzyme that breaks down the neurotransmitters which lead to depression. Yoga can help boost the immune system. Certain types of yoga can improve immune function. Meditation has a strong scientific support in this area. Yoga can help you to have peace of mind. Yoga slows down mental frustration, regret, and it helps weed out fear and anger that causes stress. If you learn to quiet your mind, you probably will live longer and be healthier because it clears mind chatter and boosts oxygen levels to the brain. Yoga promotes a healthy lifestyle. Practicing yoga regularly gets you moving and burns calories. And on the spiritual and emotional side, encourages a healthier lifestyle. Yoga encourages better bone health. Yoga requires you to lift your own weight. Weight-bearing exercises strengthens bones and to help prevent osteoporosis. Yoga practice increases bone density in the vertebrae, and it also decreases level of the stress hormone cortisol, which may help keep calcium in the bones. Yoga can help improve heart health by increasing the heart rate. Some types of yoga, if vigorous enough, can increase the heart rate into the aerobic range, which lowers your risk of heart attack, and it can relieve depression. Yoga also lowers the resting heart rate, increases endurance, and improves your uptake of oxygen during exercise. Yoga helps you build stronger muscles that can protect you from conditions like arthritis, back pain, and prevent falls in the elderly. Yoga can help you to focus. Focusing on the present is very important during yoga. Yoga improves coordination, reaction time, memory, and IQ scores. Meditation helps you to be less distracted with your thoughts, increase the ability to solve, recall, or process information better. Yoga can boost self-esteem. By practicing yoga regularly with the intent of self-examination and betterment, you will see another side of yourself. You will feel gratitude, empathy, forgiveness, and begin to feel more confident as if you're a part of something bigger. Yoga can help keep allergies and viruses at bay. Yoga also supports cleansing practices that would include rapid breathing, exercises, and colonics, which is the cleaning of the intestines. Yoga supports the connective tissue. Change your breathing and you change your nervous system. What you need to understand about yoga is that everything is connected. The interconnection is essential for you to understand yoga. Synergy may be an important way that yoga heals. Yoga can help control your blood sugar. Yoga lowers blood sugar in several ways. It decreases cortisol and adrenaline levels, promoting weight loss and improving the effects of insulin. Yoga also helps to lower your LDL, the bad cholesterol, and increase your HDL, the good cholesterol. Yoga increases the blood flow. Yoga gets the blood flowing. The relaxation exercises can help circulation, and it gets more oxygen to the cells. Yoga increases levels of hemoglobin and red blood cells that carry oxygen to the tissues. Yoga also thins the blood by making platelets less sticky and cutting the level of clot-promoting proteins in the blood, which decreases the risk of heart attack and strokes because blood clots are often the cause of these killers. Yoga can help improve your posture. Poor posture can cause back, neck, and other muscle and joint problems. Normal inward curves of the neck and lower back can cause pain and degenerative arthritis of the spine. Yoga poses increase the drainage of lymph, which can help the immune system fight infection, kill cancer cells, get rid of toxic waste products of the cells. Yoga can help improve your sleep habits. Yoga can provide relief from a cluttered mind and busy schedule you may endure from modern day life. Some forms of yoga provides downtime for the nervous system. With regular yoga practice, you may feel that yoga helps you to fall asleep faster, sleep longer, decrease sleep disturbances, improving your sleep quality, making you feel less tired or stressed, and feeling well rested in the morning. Yoga and meditation helps build awareness. The more in tune you are with your body, the easier it is to break free of emotions like anger and hostility. Yoga seems to decrease anger and increase compassion and interconnection by calming the mind and nervous system. Yoga builds strong character, which allows you to step back from drama and negativity. Yoga helps protect the spine by making sure the spine gets its nutrients, because there's plenty of back bends, forward bends, and twists that will help keep your disc healthy. Spinal discs are the shock absorbers between the vertebrae, which can herniate and compress nerves. Yoga gives you an inner strength. One of yoga's greatest strengths is that it can help you make changes in your life. It helps you to change dysfunctional habits so you begin to eat better, quit smoking, exercise more, and become a more positive person. Yoga is said to benefit your sex life. A OBGYN states that yoga does not only tone the muscles or improve flexibility, it also increases core stability and strengthens the pelvic floor muscles, thus meaning that it's a tighter grip down there and stronger orgasms. Yoga can be beneficial for dealing with pain. Yoga and meditation have been known to help people with fibromyalgia, carpal tunnel syndrome, arthritis, back pain, and other chronic conditions. Relieving your pain can lighten your mood and make you want to be more active. Yoga can help prevent digestive problems. Yoga decreases stress, and because it's a physical activity, it can help ease constipation, decrease the risk of colon cancer. Yoga helps food and waste products to move through your bowels faster. Other things that make yoga beneficial: you can practice yoga with your pet. You can practice yoga in the nude if you like. You can practice yoga anywhere, at home, at a club, even at a park or a beach. This has been your host, Imani. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any comments or concerns, you can email me, leave me a message on here, on Twitter, Facebook. I have a lot of outlets that you can reach me at, so feel free to contact me if you need something researched as well. Until next time.